Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to ensure your data is safe from local hardware failures or accidental deletions? Backing up your entire computer to OneDrive is a good move. In this video, I'll show you the best method so you can safely back up your computer. Let's go. Windows 11 has built-in OneDrive integration that automatically backs up your most important user folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. However, if you need to back up your entire computer, including your Windows operating system, installed programs, hidden system files, and all data on any drive, this third-party backup software that I'll recommend is the best method. This tool is a popular and user-friendly software designed to help protect data by creating backups of systems, disks, partitions, and files. It is also an affordable preventive measure compared to the potential cost of data recovery services. You can easily download the software by clicking the link I've added in the description box to get 250 gigabytes of cloud storage free of use. To start the backup process, click the Create Backup button that can be found under Backup Systems. There are 4 categories of data backup here. For files, disks, OS or operating system, and apps data. On the left, you will see a list of local and network files. Select the files you want to back up by expanding the directory. Follow the on-screen instructions. Next, select a location for the backup. By default, you will see that there is already a default location for your files. Tap on it to see the options. You can choose the local drive option for the local disk, the tool's cloud service, network to add your OneDrive or Google Drive account, or lastly, the security zone. If you're also interested in customization settings like enabling an automatic backup schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, or upon an event, and creating differential and incremental backups, these are available via the Options button. Once done, click Backup Now to begin the Windows System backup process. The completed backup task will appear on the left in card format. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.